Are you ready to turn your knowledge into income in 2025? Whether you are a coach, educator, entrepreneur, or an expert in your niche, creating an online course is one of the fastest ways to build authority and earn passive income. But here is the secret: your tools matter just as much as your content. In this video, we are breaking down the essential tools for online course creation in 2025, from planning to promotion. Every successful course begins with a solid blueprint. Notion is your go-to platform for outlining modules, organizing research, and building content calendars. Its flexibility allows you to keep everything in one place, making it easy to track your progress. Combine Notion with ChatGPT or Claude AI to brainstorm lesson titles, create learning objectives, and even draft outlines for scripts or workbooks. In 2025, artificial intelligence does not replace you. It amplifies your expertise and creativity. No course is complete without high-quality video content. Descript lets you record, edit, and transcribe your lessons using simple drag-and-drop tools. You can remove filler words automatically, add subtitles, and even clone your voice for seamless edits. If you prefer screen recordings or walkthroughs, ScreenPal, formerly known as Screencast-O-Matic, is perfect for creating tutorials, walkthroughs, and webcam recordings. And if you are camera shy, you can still create engaging faceless videos with voiceovers and animations. Your visuals need to be clean, professional, and on brand. Canva Pro makes slide creation easy with drag-and-drop templates, animations, and artificial intelligence-powered design suggestions. Want something more dynamic? Beautiful.ai uses smart design rules to keep your slides looking crisp and consistent, ensuring your presentations stand out. Remember, in 2025, boring slides are no longer acceptable. Your course deserves visuals that capture attention and reinforce your message. Creating quality content consistently is challenging, unless you have artificial intelligence on your team. Use Writesonic or Jasper to generate course descriptions, landing page copy, or even email sequences that convert. Grammarly Geo ensures your scripts, workbooks, and handouts are polished and professional, catching errors and improving clarity. Artificial intelligence lets you scale your efforts without sacrificing quality, so you can focus on delivering value to your students. Once your course is ready, you need a platform to host it. Teachable is known for its ease of use, upsells, and coaching integration. Thinkific gives you full control over branding, pricing, and community features, making it ideal for those who want customization. Podia is perfect for creators selling courses, downloads, and memberships all in one place. All three platforms offer built-in email marketing and sales tracking, so pick the one that fits your brand and growth strategy. Want to maximize conversions? Your checkout process matters. ThriveCart gives you high-converting sales pages, bump offers, upsells, and affiliate options to boost your revenue. Gumroad is beginner-friendly, easy to integrate, and perfect for solo creators looking for simplicity. Both tools ensure your students can pay with ease, because friction kills sales. Make the payment process seamless to keep your students happy and your business thriving. It is not just about creating a course, it is about selling it. ConvertKit is great for automating your email funnels, tagging leads, and segmenting your audience for targeted communication. MailerLite offers landing pages, email sequences, and A/B testing for free, making it accessible for new creators. Or go all-in-one with System.io, combining course hosting, emails, funnels, and even webinars. Build your audience, nurture trust, and drive sales on autopilot. Finally, track what is working. Use Google Analytics or Hotjar to see how users interact with your sales page and identify areas for improvement. Collect real feedback with Typeform or Google Forms to improve future versions of your course. Course creation is a living process. Your data tells the story, guiding your next steps and helping you create even better learning experiences for your students.